applications. It's just alphabetical down here, Doceri. And mine says reinstall because I already have it, but yours will say install. So you just hit that button and that is how you get it on your Mac.
Hello, this is your friendly neighborhood music teacher with your technology tidbit of the day. So an app that I have really enjoyed using is called Doceri. This is an app you need on your Mac and you need it on your iPad. I am already connected to it, so I will unconnect. When you open it up, it looks like this. I never use the AirPlay option. I always use the through a computer, but if you are into that, you can try it out. So when I run it through a computer, the first time you set it up, it will give you a prompt on your screen how to connect, and then you just click, and there it is. So what Doceri does, it kind of works like your Ladybug that you can write, but you can write mobilely instead of being stuck at your desk with your pen. So what I'll do, this is a project that I do in 3rd grade where they write their own composition project, and it's just on a Google slide. So when I present, and it's full screen up here, I see that on my iPad, I see it on here, and I also see it from my projector. If I hit this button here, I can now write on top of my screen. This cannot be changed, what's on the computer and what's on the screen, but over here it can. Sorry, I'm left-handed, so I have to switch. So I can write on top of my screen. Hi. There are a couple different options. There's a thin marker, there's a thicker marker, there's a highlighter. And then this will erase your entire screen. So what I would do with this project, I would just go through and model how to do it, that I would write the notes in for the kids, and you can see that it's going up on the screen as I write it. You can do different shapes. There's circles, there's squares, all kinds of things. If you don't like what you did, you can erase it. And then it would show. Now I have big fingers, so when I write on here, it doesn't look very good. So I just 2-finger swipe, and it makes it bigger, but it doesn't make it bigger for what the children see. So that just makes it easier for me to make sure what they see is what I want them to see. Another option on here, if you don't want to write on top of your image that you have, Doceri has a couple preset things. So this was writing on top of what I have projected. This one is where you see all of your preset images. So if you're doing something with graph paper for math class, you can project graph paper, and then you can write on top of it. And it shows up on the screen as well. So some more options that you see here, there's a map, there's some ruled paper, there's just some fun things in here too, like a chalkboard and construction paper, graphs. So you could project it, and then you could write right on top of this and make a line for your students to see, but also keeps you mobile while you're teaching. So enjoy, and if you have questions, I am happy to answer them.